Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and this is fourth video on CSS Battle. Alright, so yes, we are doing another video on CSS Battle, and if you don't know what that is, let me tell you that it is an online platform where you can test your CSS skills by replicating some designs. And as you can see here, let me just go back and here in the home page. As you can see here, there are a lot of designs to select from. Okay, some very difficult designs like this one, the candle, and some pretty easy designs also. Okay, and as you can see, there are a lot of designs that you can replicate from. Okay, so in this video we are doing this design, and we will see um, how much I will manage to replicate it. Okay, so let's start with the video. So first of all, we have to design this one. So as I can see, we need three elements. The first is circle, the second is a blue square, okay, which is tilted, and the third element is this like triangle with a round edge. Okay, so let's do that. First of all, we need three divs. Okay, so there is one div right here. I will just copy this and hit enter. All right. And as you can see, and we have three divs now, and I will give them each of them an ID. Okay, so first of all, this will be circle, this will be square, okay, which is the blue one, and this will be let's say triangle. It's not a triangle, but for this video we can say that. Okay, and now let's target body. Okay, and we have to just change the color of the um the the body. So let's, and as you can see here, the color is given here, right down here. So I will just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and as you can see, the color has been changed. And now let's target our elements. Okay, let's say hashtag circle. All right, and now I will say background color, and I will copy this and paste it here. And of course width and height, so let's do that. 200 pixel, and height also 200 pixel. Okay, and now let's define the border radius. Okay, let's change the border radius to 100 pixel. All right, and as you can see here, I think it is pretty much done. Okay, the circle is now done, and to get the circle in center, we can just target our body. We will say our body will be grid, and then place items. Okay, place items will be center. All right, will be center. So as you can see here, it is now in the center, but not from y-axis. Okay, it is center in x-axis only, so it is fine. Okay, it is fine. All right, so let's now define our triangle. Okay, the triangle with a round edge. So width and height, first of all, let's say 100 pixel. All right, height also 100 pixel. Then I will just copy this background color, and background color will be this. Okay, so this, and I know you can't see that, so for that reason let's just change it. Okay, something like this. We will change that later. Okay, and now let's do the round edge. So for that I will say border border top left radius. All right, I think this is the term. Yes, and then 100 pixel, and as you can see here it is now rounded. And now we have to rotate that, so transform. Okay, we will add transform, then rotate. And how many? I think this 45 minus 45, let's say 90, 45 90, 135 maybe. Okay, 180, 180 plus 45, it will give you 225. Okay, and yes, this is it. So our our triangle is also ready, and now let's target our last element, which is square. All right, so I will just copy this whole and paste it right here, but we don't need the border radius, and also the color will be this. Okay, and now what we need, we have to transform it. Okay, we have to rotate it, so let's paste it here. All right, just like that. And instead of this we can just do 45, and as you can see here, I think it is pretty much done. Okay, as you can see, okay, a little bit smaller. Okay, a little bit smaller. For that also we have something which is called position. All right, so let's say position will be relative, and now from top we can define 10 pixel, and as you can see here it is just taking shape. All right, I think 8 pixel or 7, I think 7 is the number, and as you can see here it is perfectly fine. Okay. All right, and now it is time for z index. Okay, let's define z index to define which element will be on top. So I will say z index of circle will be this 10, and of square will be 11, and the triangle will be on the top edge. Okay, so like this. Oops. And where is our triangle? Why I can't see that? Okay, so where is our triangle? Let me. Okay, so it is right here. Okay. But why it is not showing on the top? I don't know. I think the reason is this position relative maybe. Okay, so let me see what is the problem. All right, so we can also do one more thing. Yes, absolute. And now as you can see it, yes, now it is working. From saying the position absolute. All right, okay. Okay, so let's now define some position and top of circle. Okay, our square is done. All right, and now we need our circle to be in place. Okay, let's say 50, um no, 40, um 45, something less, 43, 42. And yes, as you can see, the circle and square is ready. Okay, and now the only thing left is our triangle with the round side. Okay, so let's do that. And as you can see, the position is absolute, so we have to define it from the top itself. Okay, let's say 200. No, it is very big. 150, 170 maybe. Okay, so this is the number. And 179, let's say 180. Nope. And you know what, um the width and height is greater. Okay, so let's say 90. 90. Yes, I think 90 is the number. And now decrease this thing. Let's say 178, 175, 178 maybe. You know what? I think the width is 95 maybe. Nope, not 95. um Something less. Okay, more. And yes, I think this is it. 92 maybe. No, it is greater. Let's say 91.5. Nope. You know what, let's say 90. All right, 90. Okay, um okay, now let's change the color first of all. Okay, let's change the color. And you can see here I have changes some width and height and also some positioning. And okay, this is looking pretty much it. And you know, it is not 100% complete, but we will just submit that. Okay, let's do that, submit, and let's see the score. And yes, 99.8, because it is not 100%, as you can see here. All right, so I hope you enjoy that, and you can also do that on your own to improve your CSS skills. I will link this website in the description below, so you can go check it out. All right, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.